Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to discuss an essential topic for all the WordPress website owners. That is how to inform the author automatically when the post get published on WordPress website. So guys, if you have created a platform for writers or you are managing a team of writers for getting content published on your WordPress website, keeping everyone informed and in the loop is crucial. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can inform the author automatically whenever you publish the draft that you have in your WordPress website. And we can set up this automation without any coding super simply. So let's begin. To set up the workflow, we are using an integration and automation tool known as Pabbly Connect, and this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. And you can find the link of this page in the description as well. From here, you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month to set up your automation workflows. So guys, sign up right now, and after that you can sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here, click on this create workflow button. Here you can provide a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here. So I have given this name guys, and now I'm clicking on create button and you can see the workflow page is loading up here. Okay, and on this page guys, you will find the basic building blocks of our automation, which are the trigger and the action. So guys, trigger is that event which starts the workflow and the action is the automated response of the trigger. So guys, in our use case, we want that whenever the admin of the website is going to publish the post on WordPress, then inform the author who have created the post as a draft. Okay, so the use case here is that a member of a writing team is writing a post and saving it as a draft, and the admin is going to review that draft and publish it by himself or herself. Okay, so when the admin is going to publish it, this workflow should trigger and inform the team member that your post is now live. Okay, so when you click on this trigger window, it will ask to choose the trigger application. So in our use case, WordPress would be our trigger application. So search for WordPress here. Okay, and you have to select the trigger event as new post published. Okay, so it should trigger whenever the admin of the website publishes a post. So guys, when you select the trigger event, it will give you this webhook URL and these instructions. So with the help of these instructions, we are going to create a connection with our WordPress website, and after that we are going to capture the response of this connection. Okay, so what you have to do, first of all, open the admin panel of WordPress. Okay, log in as an admin, and you have to install a plugin in your WordPress account which is called WP Webhooks. So from the plugins section, you can click on add new plugin and you can install WP Webhooks. And after installing that, when you click on settings here, you will find the WP Webhooks option available here in the last. So you have to open WP Webhooks. Alright, and under WP Webhooks guys, you will find this send data button. Click on it. And under send data page, you will find these triggers here. Okay, so under WordPress, you will find this post created option. Click on post created, and here under post created section, click on add webhook URL button. Okay, so here we are going to give a name to this connection. Okay, like this, and here you have to provide the URL that you got from your workflow. So just copy this webhook URL like this and paste it here under this webhook URL field like this. Okay, then click on add for post create. Alright, and here you can see the webhook URL has been added, and when you scroll down, you will find your newly webhook URL added like this. From here you have to click on these three dots on the right side. From here click on settings, and under the setting of your webhook connection, you will find this trigger on selected post type. So here you have to select post option, and here trigger on initial post status. Here you have to select published option. Okay, you can trigger this workflow for drafts as well, but right now I'm doing it for published post. So I have selected published option. Now scroll down and click on save settings. So you can see the settings are saved. Okay, now you can close this window. Okay, and here you can see guys, as we have copied the webhook URL here, it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. This means guys, now you have to perform a test submission. Test submission means now you have to open the user account of your WordPress or your team member's account in a new incognito window, and from there just create a test post and save it in draft. Okay, and after that what we are going to do, we are going to open our admin account and we are going to publish that same post. Okay, and the data of that post will be captured here in the response section. So I am opening one of my team members account in incognito window. Here it is. Okay, and you can see the name of this person is test user. Okay, and here I am clicking on add new button under the post section. Here you can provide any title to this post. I am providing the title as testing title. Okay, testing title. And here let me just type a sample text for just setting up this automation workflow. So here you can see guys, I have written just a small paragraph or some lines here. Okay, right, now what I'm going to do, we have many options. You can attach here images or links or codes or videos, audios, etc. But right now I'm leaving all these things blank, and here I'm going to click on save draft. Okay, and this post is getting saved in drafts. Okay, you can see the draft is saved. Right, now you can check it in all posts section. Here is the draft with the name testing title is the title. Now guys, I'm going to open the admins account. Here is the admins account, and from here guys, I'm going to open the post section. Okay, this is the post section, and this is the same title created by our test user, which is an author. Okay, so I'm going to open this, and here I'm going to publish it. And here you can see guys, it's still waiting for the response, our workflow. Okay, now let me just click on publish here on the testing title. Okay, so you can see guys, this post just got published. Okay, let's see in our workflow we got the data captured, and here you can see we have received the data captured, and it is showing that the post is uncategorized right now, no category, and this was previously a draft, and here it got published. And here you can see the title of the post, testing title, status is now published, and here you can see the date, modification date, publishing date, and here you can see the author ID as well. 901 is the author ID. Okay, and this is how we can capture the data of a new post getting published. Right, now guys, we have received the data, but we didn't receive the data of the author. So for that guys, I'm going to use this action in window, and I'm going to connect with WordPress again to get the details of the author of the post, the original author of the post, not the one who published it. Okay, and in the action event, I'm going to search for search user option. Select search user, then click on connect button. From here select add new connection, and here it will ask for the WordPress username, WordPress password, and the base URL. Okay, so you probably have these credentials. You have to enter the admin's credential. Okay, note that. And the base URL, you can just open your WordPress dashboard, and from the top search bar you can see till this WP3 is our base URL. You can just copy it and paste it here like this. You can read in the instructions. It should be a publicly accessible WordPress URL with leading HTTP address, but do not include any ending slash or WP admin. Okay, so just keep it till here, and then click on save, and you will be connected with WordPress. I have already made a connection, and every connection that you make are saved in your account, so I'm going to use my existing connection. For that, I'm going to select this existing connection option, and from here I'm going to select this connection and then click on save. and you can see we are now connected with WordPress. And here it started asking for a search keyword. Okay, so what you would like to search, it is asking it here. So guys, here I'm going to search for the the author ID that we have received here in the trigger. This is the author ID we have received, and I'm going to map this label here in this field to get the details of the author. So for mapping it, just click here and the previous step will appear in the drop down, and when you click on it, you will find the data right here. So from here you can just search for the author word, and you will see the author label here. Just click on it to map it, and then click on save and send test request button, and in the response you will get the details of the author. Here you can see guys, we have received the details. This is the username of the author, this is the name, test user, the first name, last name, email address, everything is here. Okay, so after getting the other details, I want to send an email to this person to inform him or her that the post he was writing got published. So just click here on this plus icon, and from this action step I'm going to connect with Gmail to send an email. Okay, and the action event I'm going to use is send email. Then click on connect button. From here choose add new connection, then click on connect with Gmail. Alright, and from this window you have to select that Google account by which you want to send the email. Okay, select that account, then you have to provide some additional access to your account. So just click on continue from here, and you can see the authorization is successful and we are now connected. Alright, and here it is asking for the recipient's email address, the sender's name, the email subject. So guys, in the recipient address I'm just going to click, and from the second step I'm going to map the email address that we have searched. Okay, similarly here you can provide the sender name as your name. I'm just putting it here as WP admin, WordPress admin. Here in the email subject you can type the subject as your post is published, something like that. You can change it as well. Here in the email content type I'm selecting plain, and here let me type the email that I want to send. So guys, here you can see I have written this email, and here I have written dear. After dear I want to place the name of the author. For that just click here, and from the second step map the name like this. Congratulations on getting your draft published on our website. You can check your work here. After this word I am going to map the link of the published post which you will get from the first step. Here you will get this post permalink label. This is the link, just map it. Okay, and here you can see don't forget it to share with your friends. This is the kind of email I have written. And guys, now you can check your connection with Gmail by clicking on save and send test request button, and this email will be delivered to this email address. So let me show you the email inbox of my author. So guys, this is the email inbox of my team member, and here I am clicking on save and send test request button, and let's see how the email is going to appear. Okay, so this is the response we have received, and let's see in the inbox now. And here you can see guys, we have received a new email from WP admin, and the subject is your post is published. And you can see, dear test user, congratulations on getting your draft published on our website. You can check your work from here. This is the link of the WordPress post, and here's how the post is and the email is. And you can see the things that we have mapped here are also appearing in the email. So this is how it is going to work guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, this workflow is going to trigger automatically whenever you are going to publish a post on WordPress. It will search for the author and inform the author automatically, and I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.